Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for February. This month's theme is It's a Self-Love Affair. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features a soft pink ruffle texture with a black ribbon bow and heart-shaped zipper charm. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Sachajuan Hair Repair Treatment, Feel Probiotic Moisturizer, Ciate Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer, Pear Nova Eyeshadow Palette, and the Luna Magic 444 brush. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Polaar Ice Source Ultra-Moisturizing Mask, Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream, Beaute Mystic Romance Palette, MAC Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara Refresher, and the Eloise Ultra Glow Lip Oil. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and applying the Polaar Ice Source Ultra Moisturizing Mask. The purpose of this mask is to quench thirsty skin. It has a gel-like texture. It feels fresh and creamy, and I would definitely compare it to the Maybelline Hydro Boost. After that, I'm trying the Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream. This is clinically proven to help protect against skin dehydration. The texture is very thick and creamy. It has quite a strong scent to where it's a bit off-putting. On the flip side, it has made my skin look less dull and more radiant. Now let's take a look at the Beaute Mystic Romance palette. This 15-pan palette retails for $38.99. Let's swatch it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm obsessed with the color story. First, I'm picking up the matte deep mauve shade called Fog. I'm applying this to my crease. I'm always impressed with Beaute's formula. The shadows are very pigmented. Next, I'm dipping into the matte burgundy shade called Temptress. I'm blending this above the previous shade. It's blending beautifully. Now let's test out the Luna Magic 444 brush. This retails for $10. I'm using this to pick up the shade Fog. I'm applying this to the center of my lid and just blending out the edges a bit. Finally, I'm dipping into the shimmery shade called Devotion. I'm tapping this on top of what I just applied. After that, we have the Ciate Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. This is a moisturizing primer, which just so happens to be my favorite type of primer. Next, I'm testing the MAC Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara Refresher. You're supposed to apply this after mascara to revive your lashes. I already have the MAC Stack Mascara on, and I'm putting this over top. It honestly just looks like an extra coat of mascara. Finally, I'm applying the Eloise Ultra Glow Lip Oil. This is in the shade Lily. It doesn't really have any color upon application, but it feels very nourishing and non-sticky. Here's the finished look using products from both the February Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.